So this is like an created WC website top code or something like it is a, and you can upload. See here, I have some of the files are available like this. Okay, you can upload your own, create your own folder under the bucket, and you can upload. Like we initially say, right, it's test EDA something like we created some folders, subfolders.
Okay.
Same way you can create a folder, you can upload in that folder. So what are the files you want to upload? Add file from your local system.
Anything, any file can be loaded.
Yeah,
right?
any file you can add it here. Okay, you can any file you can store it here. This is the S3 destination layer. Yeah, we already have other one. So I think Amazon S3 it is not going. Yeah. So how we are going to connect to like an Amazon? We have S3 REST. So for Amazon S3 REST. So generally, you know, when you are going to, we have like an Amazon like providing a number of services. You know, if you go to like services, we have like a number of services. Amazon S3, Amazon SM, Simple Queue service, IAM, and you know, lot of services are like provide compute, containers, database, and like so many of services like providing. So might be every for every service might be Boomi not going to create a separate connector.
Okay.
So they have available Amazon SNS and Amazon SQS. Okay, we have like a number of like an Amazon. We have an Amazon S3, right? But
Okay.
we don't have Amazon S3 connector. We don't have, but we have REST APIs available. Amazon S3 is Amazon S3 REST. We are available. You can use like an Amazon S3 REST, and you can use this Amazon S3, and you can create a file. You can get a file. You can upset. You can query something like this. Here you can use like an endpoint access key and secret key. Same we already had.
The same thing we can use it here. Whatever we have,
Yes,
yes.
we can. If you want to use, you can.
Oh, that IAM is a common for all the services, right?
Yeah. So here, yeah, that is common. IAM identity access management for your account. That is. Okay. So I'm going to like a query, and I can use client ID, client seek. We can take it from here.
No. We're copying everything.
No, this is the one, right?
No, Amazon access key equal to.
Oh, okay, sorry.
I think most of the things are like looks like same only, right?
Yeah, yes, exactly.
We should know what is the work it is doing. So once we come to know, we can easily connect it and we can pull and
connection is like simple, like sometimes it will give trouble, but most of the time we can connect to easily. So that is why like so you can concentrate on both more on logic. So the connections are like made easy. You can make it easy.
Even connection, deployment, these are like similar only, right?
Similar, yeah.
Only thing is the connection, like how the shapes are using, like where to use, what to use. If you know this thing, I think we can manage this.
Yeah, and we can use like an import object. So dynamic buckets I'm going to use. Okay. So dynamic bucket is nothing but, so if you use this bucket, then only you are going to get these files on. So only from this bucket you are going to fetch every time by using this Amazon S3. So if you use like a dynamic bucket, means whatever you are going to pass as the input and you are going to fetch it. So dynamic bucket, and this means, so dynamic bucket is nothing but what bucket you are going to give it as input. In that bucket only you are going to store and you are going to get the files.
So bucket is kind of folder or what?
Yeah, it is a bucket is a root folder, something
root
like.
Folder. Okay, root folder.
It is something like bucket name, means it is something like a root folder. Yes.
Each product has a different naming, right?
Yeah. It is something like a storage area. In the storage, it is a container. Let's assume bucket is a container. In
Okay.
that container, we have many folders.
Okay. Okay.
That is like a bucket.
Mhm.
So using dynamic bucket, we can send any bucket name and you can fetch records or you can store records in that bucket, any bucket. But specifically, you can choose one bucket. Only in that bucket, you are going to store, you can retrieve the files.
Okay, because why your account connection has only one bucket name. That's why
Yeah,
it shows
dynamic
only one.
bucket. Yeah, dynamic bucket. When you choose the dynamic bucket, then it will go give some options. So what is the bucket name is equals to, and you know, I will show you this here. Yeah, so bucket is equals to, suppose we have number of buckets here. Okay.
Okay.
In S3 we have number of buckets. Which buckets you want to store? Then you can give equal to and prefix. So when in bucket we have number of folders. In which folder you are going to add folders or retrieve folders? Something like, and choose it like this. So here, yeah, this is what is the bucket equal to? Bucket equals to, prefix equals to. Last time I seen, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So these
Can
like
you go to your Amazon? Do you have any bucket available in your S3? Amazon S3.
yeah, we have only one bucket, right? You can create a number of, here go to Amazon S3 and create a bucket, and the bucket name like bucket 1, something is given, and this is my region. And
Okay.
only one bucket I think available. Okay. Create a bucket here. Bucket name must be contains uppercase. Uppercase character bucket with the same already. Okay. What happened? Must not contain uppercase. Bucket name must not contain.
Invalidated. No, remove this one underscore. No.
And yeah, remove. Now it is okay, right? Underscore not acceptable, but hyphen is acceptable.
Okay.
Yeah. So I created a bucket, something like this. Boomi bucket 1. Okay. So this name you should give Boomi bucket 1 in your parameter tab. Okay. And import all. Here, what is the bucket? Is equals to. Sorry. Boomi bucket 1. Okay. Like this you can do. Otherwise you can create a process property. In that process property you can choose type, you can choose process property. In the process property you can create a process property and you can create a bucket name, then you can drop down. So in order when we are going to give process property, you can change it in a runtime.
Yeah, correct.
So if we give statically, so we know, so which suppose the bucket name is going to be changed, again we have to touch the code. So we can use like a process property. Every time the bucket name is changed, or if you want to change the bucket name, you can process property can give the value, and that will be affected here.
Correct. Yeah.
So same way, like equal to prefix. Okay, a prefix is nothing but in which bucket, in which folder you are going to pick the files. Okay, yeah, we'll connect on Monday then.
Yeah. Okay. Sure. Sure.